Hello everyone, my name is Swara. Okay, now these much days I have not uploaded videos, but from today on we will start it. Okay, and before I start whatever I'm going to teach today, I want to tell you that like what I'll be teaching now. Okay, like I have gone in fifth now, so what I'll be teaching, I will teach fifth, sixth mix. Okay, English grammar, maths and science. Okay, I'll mix it up. Okay, I have so many books, so I will mix it up and then I'll teach you. Okay, then we will start it. And whatever you think is important in maths, English, science, you can note it or make a copy, 3 copies, and start noting inside it. Okay, like whatever I'll write on the board, it should be. So today's topic is comparing numbers. We will learn is comparing numbers. We will learn to compare numbers. This is the basic, like from basic we will start. Okay, then from 0 to we will go so far. Okay, I have in this chapter, if you check out the contents, there's a one whole chapter, but this is the part of it, comparing numbers. Then we have rounding off, Roman numerals, multiplication, division, divisibility tests, and board mass. Okay, but from basic, let's go of this chapter. So comparing numbers means to compare numbers. Where do we have to compare numbers? Okay, so in the book which I'm teaching from, there is Trilly, Lucy, Spinians. Okay, Trilly is the owner of Fixed House here, Fixed Facility, and Lucy is Trilly's personal assistant, and Spinians the rolling balls of yarn. Now through their conversations, I'll teach you through their conversation. Like if they're speaking something, I'll teach you from that conversations. So we should know in daily life returns when it is coming, right? In daily life, when it comes, when shall I compare the numbers? Just it comes in a question, or does it come somewhere else? That is the first thing you should know. So see here, Lucy says, Spinians stored the hammers and wrenches into separate boxes. And Trilly says, the greater numbers goes into the big box and the smaller into the small box. Then the blue Spinian says, but we don't know which number is greater. So Trilly says, easy, count and compare. And today I'm going to teach you. Think that you are Spinians. Now, at a point or at a glance, we can say to identify a larger or a smaller of two numbers. There are always two numbers you'll have to compare. So you need to compare them. Then you will use the comparison whenever you have to find the larger or smaller between two numbers. So you are using the comparison form. To understand, let's have a question. Which number is greater, 98 or 85, and why? 98 or 86. Okay, I'll write that question. Question 1 you can write in your notebook. Okay. And if you have not got, so still what you do, take a pen and start writing this question. When you have the note, start copy these questions down. Next. First, which number is greater and greater, okay, 98 or 86. Why? Now this is the question 1 we are discussing in our today's class. Comparing numbers means to compare numbers, right? If you have two numbers, if I have two markers, okay, if I have two markers in my hand, and if this position and this position if other marker teams are saying to me that this number is 500, this number is just 100, so which one is greater? I'll say black is greater, this is smaller, right? So in a marker pattern, so there are two numbers which have to be compared. One number, second number. So first number catches the place of 98. Second number is the place of 86. Now first number and second number is the both numbers you have to compare now. So first number is 98, second number is 86. Which one is greater? Think for a while. Think. Which number is greater, 98 or 86, and why? If 98 is greater, why? Or if 86 is greater, why? Yes. And why? This question is important. Because if you have an answer, why this is only not this, you should understand that. So, tell me, which is greater, 98 or 86? Now, I'll tell you the tricks as well, but this is an oral question I have for you. This is an oral question I have for you. See here. 98 is greater, and why? Because see, whenever you are answering it, 98 is greater, how you will explain it? See, how will you explain? 98 is greater because it comes after 86. After 86. You can write in bracket on a number line it is said that right side is greater. Is greater. Close it. So on number line it is said that greater. Okay. If you start like marking this is the number line. Or wait, compare this number. Minus 5, just brain teaser, you can see. Minus 5 is greater or 0 is greater. You'll always say minus 5, but you're wrong. 0 is greater. 0 does mean no value, no marker. But minus 5 is to the left of the number line. If I was suppose, I am the 0. This marker, or let's say this marker is the 0. Okay, let's just do this. So this marker is the minus 5 and I am a 0. So I am here. The others which like if this marker is increased, 1 it is. This is minus 5 it is. So this side is going, increasing. This side is decreasing. It's decreasing. So I am the center of these both sides, of positive as well and of negative as well. And this is less because I am on the right side of it. Right side. Okay. And I am lesser than this because it is I am on the left side of it. Got that? So it's said to be that side is greater. Now, got the point? Okay, so take the example. Take the given example of 5 wrenches and 3 hammers. This is 5. This is 3. The 5 here, this 5 here is greater and this 3 here is smaller. Just visualize that here is 5 and here is 3. So 5 is a greater, 3 is a smaller one, right? So by comparing the two numbers, we can determine whether the first number is smaller or equal to the second number. Got it? Now I have some quick check because you were listening to me or not. To just judge that. 2 simple questions I have for you. Right there. Question 2 of our class. 9 is greater than 2. Is greater than 2. true or false. Okay, I'm writing T and F. And question 3 of the class. 6 is less than 7. True or false? Answer them quickly. Okay? Answer quickly. Now, if you take a closer look, greater than and lesser than, then you answer it. Try to answer it then. We have other things to do in this chapter as well. I'll teach you tricks. 2 tricks I'll teach you. And I'll give you exercise to do as well. 1 exercise I'll give you. Then you'll have to. Rounding off will be a bit difficult chapter. But still you have to learn it. Cause rounding off is important for you now. I've taught you it still. Now if you must have solved. You must have seen that the 9 is greater than 2. 9, this number 9 is more than 2. This is the way we say it. So 9 is greater than 2 means that this is greater. 9 is greater than 2. Is it true or false? You will say, Swara, 2 is greater. No, not at all. This is 2 sticks. If you imagine it as a sticks, 2 sticks, 2 marker pens. This is 9 marker pens. 9 marker pens. So, you can understand that 9 is greater. So, we will tick it mark. Let tick mark. 6 is less than 7. Now, less than here is, it is lesser than it. So, 6 is quite lesser than it, right? So, you can tick mark it. Quick check. Then, I hope your answers are correct. These were some easy or silly questions. Now, we will learn is how do you compare large numbers? Now, 9 is greater than 2, 6 is less than 7, 98 or 86 is greater. But 3, 4, 5, like that. So, how shall I compare? There are some quick tricks you can follow. Trick 1, I'll teach you here. Trick 1 is the number with more digits is always greater than the number with fewer digits. Okay. If I take 8768, and 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 4. This and this. You will always say, oh, 8 and 6. But no. Check. First step. For the first trick you have is count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now, which one is greater among 4 and 5? 5, right? 5. So, you will have 6, 5, 3 to 4 as the greater. Trick 2 is, if the both number are same, so you'll have to check on the place values. You'll have to check on the place values and then go for the odd. Like, if we have 6, 8, 9, you can write it side to side. Trick 2. Okay. Trick 2. If you have 5, 6, 7. Okay. 5, 6, 5. And comparing it. So see here. First we'll go on this place. They are same. Then check on the other places. This is also same. One's place is also same. But 7 and 5 are not same. Whenever you compare 7 and 5, 7 will be greater. So this number is greater. So these are the tricks. These are the simple tricks we have to compare largest numbers. Larger numbers as well. Because, see, trick 1 is to check. Okay, you can write it in your own words, okay. If I am giving you something like a definition, you won't understand. But when you write in your own words, you elliptically understand, okay, this is this. Okay, in your own language. So, 8768, in this number, 8, 7, 6, 8 you have to compare. 6, 5, 3, 2, 4 you have to compare. You can write that. First, we should count or we should see that the both numbers are same. If they are few, if they are less than each other, then we can evaluate which is the greatest. In this, you know now. I have written with the whole explanation. But write about this, you can write on by your mind. By your mind. Okay. So I told you that we have these two tricks. In these two tricks, you can take out any. But check here. Check here. Whenever you are seeing the trick 2, what you write is, we should compare the greatest place value, then come to the smallest if the numbers are not same. This is the proper definition you can write. Okay. I have some quick questions for you. And write it, each and every note you take out, write it in your own words. It's not compulsory. I'll give it to you. Okay. Now question number 4 we will be doing. And 5 I have. And then you have to solve an exercise. Okay. After learning this chapter. And I'll give you a brain teaser, but might you may know it. I'll give you few brain teasers. You may know their answers, you may not know their answer. If I'm able to solve the brain teasers, I'll surely give you. But remember, as homework, I'll give you each brain teaser. And in the upcoming videos, I'll give you the answers if possible. Or you can try it, because I'll be giving exercise answer, quick check answer, teaching you. What about you? You will be thinking on the brain. There. Now, question 4. Ready for the question 4? 4 is something than 5. And question 5th is 1256 is than 1259 765. This is not the proper way of reading the numbers, but still try answering these two questions on the base concept and on the two tricks we learned. First, you see trick 1 is applied here or trick 2 is applied. Same with the question 5th you can start doing. Okay, if a timer, let's give you the time as 10 seconds. Okay, so I'll give you the time as 10 seconds. So shall we start? I'll count here, you just do it. See, it's so easy. Just see, you can use the options what we had learned. I hope that I'm living up now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, like in here, you can just put less or greater. Which 4 is there? Then 4 is something than the 5. Now everybody will go over 5, so it is lesser. But don't check these and these numbers, right? These and these numbers. Trick 1 you follow first. Then follow the trick 2. These two tricks are there for comparing large numbers. So follow the trick 1, follow the trick 2 as well. See, is trick 1 possible? Then check, is trick 2 possible? So trick 1, 4. Is that 5. So in here, 4 digits are there. Here 3 digits are there. This is the you have to evaluate this. So which one is greater? 4 is greater. So 4 is greater than 555. Next, 1256,000. Oh, sorry, 12,56,000 is than 1259,765. Now there will be trick 2 followed whenever there is a 12 and a 12. 55 is there, 5 is there, but not 6 and 9 is there, right? So is less than. Okay. So question 4 and question 5 we did it. Now what we learned. So by comparing two numbers, we can determine whether the first number is a smaller one or greater or equal to the second number. If the number of digits of two numbers being compared are the same, compare each digit in both numbers from left to right. And your homework, the brain teaser, again your homework is to write 50 examples of comparing these in your note. Okay? Honestly, you do it. 50 examples of 5 or more than 5 digit number, but not less than, or 4, 5. That one you can start making. Okay? And also, this is my summary. Now, what you have to do is, today I learned that, write the headline, today I learned that, underline it nicely. Then write the date when you learned it. Then start. What you want, write like short notes of this whole chapter. Okay? And at last give a sign and then give a stick or something if you want, or do not. But now let's have an exercise. The exercise is super easy. You will be able to do it. Just see the exercise. You will think it's the easiest. In today's class, we discussed 5 questions. How many questions we discussed? 5, depending on each solution. Okay? These concepts are so small, but whenever we take a chapter, it will be super mixing. So I'm taking like slow. Now, for exercise part. Exercise. Okay, just write exercise headline. Big. Okay? Big letters. Circle the larger number in each of the given digit. Circle the larger number. The larger number. First, A, okay? 0 and 1. 0, 1. B. 322. These are small, okay? Now, see, you check out. See, it will be little confusing. Okay. And four one seven two. Seven and 5 6. 8 9 7 6. 8 8 9 9. G. 87 80. H, the last one. 5 5 5. Okay, I got that number. 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 7. Now, 0 and 1. Try solving it first. Write the questions down and then start solving it. You can make like 4 and here 4. Now, see the question carefully. Circle the larger number. Which is the larger or which is the largest? That you have to circle it, but larger because you are comparing two numbers. Now 0 and 1, which is larger? Easy, 1. 3 and 22. Here 1 digit number is there. Here 2 digit number is there. It means that 22 is greater. 1000, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. In this everybody will confuse. See, count the number of zeros or the places. So, take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, okay, 6 here. I cannot take 6, but 5 is greater or 6 is greater. 6 is greater, of course. Next, 4, 1, 7, 2, 4, 7, 1, 2. Here, if you come with this position, you can find out. 7, 8, 5, 6. 8, 9, 7, 6. 8, 8, 9, 9. 87, 18. And 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. All these numbers have the second digit to be the greatest. Okay, these are your solutions. Now I hope you understood this. Now your work to do. Your homework is 57, or take a new page there are so many concepts, but okay, and make a small box like structure like this, small box. Okay, homework you write and write in small letters, brain teaser. Then you start 57 or minus 127. Which one is smaller? I know this question answer, but first you have to do it. Then tell me, write it in a copy first or a page if you're writing. So it's a brain teaser. 57 is greater or 127? Minus 127 is greater. Which one is smaller? Read the question carefully in here. Everybody will go with 57. In the middle of the video, I told you that this side number will be always great and this side number will be always small. So it's 57 or 127. So it's not 57 in here. 57 is going here from 0. I am a 0, but 57 is going here. And this is going here. So 127. And I am 0. I'm so proud that 127 or minus 127 is lesser than me. This is the answer in here. Got the hidden clue? Now prepare for rounding off. Okay, prepare for rounding off as well, because rounding off will be a bit difficult for you. Okay, so you'll must do it. We have Roman numerals. We have covered Roman numerals, but still I'll give you with examples and samples. Now just this was today's. The next video will be coming of grammar. Then the next was science. Then maths, English, science, maths, English, science, maths, English, science, maths, English, science. This is a pattern will go. Now today we had maths. Okay. And tomorrow we will have, yes, that's right, English and then science. Okay then. Bye.